The US government is going to ban the video platform TikTok. The US government has taken the decision to ban TikTok on US government devices. In order to implement this decision, the US is preparing to issue No TikTok No Government Devices Act, i.e. the law that prohibits the use of TikTok on government devices. The US House of Representatives has already banned TikTok on government devices. In addition to this, various US states including Georgia, South Dakota, Maryland and Texas have already banned TikTok on government devices through their own internal decisions. Now the Senate is going to prepare a law and take it forward. TikTok is product of the Chinese company ByteDance. In this case, the United States is going to ban this app, showing that China can also use TikTok still user data. Currently, the government has decided to apply this ban only to government employees and government devices. There is no official opinion about what to do in the case of common people. Officials of TikTok claimed to the US government that the data would be protected, but the US decided to ban it.